So I'm going to show you quickly how to do this. It's pretty basic, anyone can do it. No wrist rolls, no spinning, it just involves simple technique. So I need you to hold this at the top here, like this. So I'm going to bring this over to the one side first of all. From there, I'm going to open my hands. I'm going to move my hand directly across. And what that's going to happen is the rope then is going to bounce into this hand, like this. And we're going to grasp a hand over the rope. And now we're over here, we're going to bring our hand this way, quick, and catch this with our thumb and forefinger here. From here, we're going to move this here. We're going to move our elbow and point it at the sky and on our head, like kind of like a sorting hat of Harry Potter. Boom. And we're going to put our head through the arm like this. From there, we're going to move this around to the middle of our neck. Then we're going to remove our hand out like this. Put our palm ready to receive the chuck. And we're going to slice this forward. That is going to allow this to unlock. From there, we're going to collapse it like this. Another way you can finish up is that. So get creative, guys. Hope this helps.